G'day campers, Brett from Tentworld in Toowoomba. Today I have with me the Explorer Planet Earth Zulu Deluxe chair, which is a lightweight chair suited for hiking and backpacking, but can be used for general camping as well. Comes in this small bag, which means it is very compactable. So it's overall length of 52 centimeters, a height of 14 centimeters, and then a width of 14 centimeters as well. The bag itself comes with these loops, which you can attach to your backpack, as well as handles on either side, as well as a main zip. So let's get stuck into some of the main features of this chair and see if you like it. Now that I've unpacked the main components of the bag, which is the frame and then the seat itself, let's go ahead and start connecting the frame up. So when it comes out of the bag, it does look a little bit messy, but that's okay. What Explorer Planet Earth have done is that they've actually made it a lot easier. The poles have actually got bungee cord through them, so what they do is they actually pull into place and into their relevant the sockets. So fairly straightforward. So I'll get started on that and we'll roll out the seat and then rig it all up. There you have it, that's the whole frame all up and ready to go. Now let's get the seat ready and put it all together. So roll it out, make sure you got it the right way up, cushion at the top obviously, as well as the riding. Pretty much what you have to remember is that you have to pretty much line up these holes that are at the top, or the inserts at the top, to these pole ends here. So there's two at the top and then there's two down the bottom. So just pull them into place. So I'll get this one started. And then on this side, and come around to the front here. So straight up, the overall height of the chair itself is 90 centimeters. You have a width of 52 centimeters and a depth of 35 centimeters. The reason for the additional height compared to your normal Zulu chair is to provide further upper back, neck and head support with the cushion at the top here. It provides a very comfortable chair with this 600 denier polyester fabric, as well as the mesh inserts on the side. This just keeps things cool as well. The frame itself is a 13mm steel frame, and it comes in at 2.3 kilograms and is a very comfortable chair to sit in. And there you have it. That's the chair all set up, ready to go. So it's very quick. One thing I must highlight is that these chairs do sit fairly close to the ground. As you can see, I'm kneeling down. So just be mindful when you're looking at chairs and your physical capability of getting out of chairs. A couple of the other features that I wanted to fill you in on, that they do have a weight rating of 130 kilos, just something to keep in mind. They do come with a 12-month manufacturer's warranty. So if you'd like to find any further information about this chair or other hiking chairs or camping chairs, please go across to our website, which is www.tentworld.com.au, or you can go into one of our local stores and talk to our friendly staff. Or thirdly, you can go across to our YouTube website and have a look at some of our other chairs that we've got on. Cheers, bye.